Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so hot and mining, it did push quite a bit today. So we did reach, actually we did bust the 0.618 extension, wave 1 and 3 to the wave 4. This was the ideal target, previously acted as a resistance. Now we almost reached the other level, right? I do have a small warning though, because we don't know what happened here, right? Was this a diagonal? It just spiked up during the weekend and, hot and mining catch up. So now, as I can count this as a 5 waves, I can see I won 2. This was the third, but we fell a little bit short. Ideally, we would have reached 1.38 fib extension. We didn't do that, so less reliable. Fourth wave, well, it went at the limit, right? Because we were unsure the structure, and after that, yeah, we did reach here perfectly though. For that, I have to give that to hot and mining. But now the question is, so is this the fifth wave, or this third wave it was just an A, a B, and a C? And as you can see, I did the count here. The extension wave C, we missed it by 19 cents, a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. Wave A to wave C, 1-to-1 ratio, missed by 19 cents. So I would say it's pretty reached. So my dilemma now, this is my dilemma now. Wave 1, wave 2 in light green, wave 3. If I zoom out, I could say, yeah, once again, this was an A, this was the B and the C. Third, yeah, wave light green reached. And you can see also, where was it? Was it this chart? Just double checked. Yeah, here. Okay, so we did reach the 1.618 fib extension. Once again, how did I got there? I just made the extension wave 1 to wave 2, and this was the level. And we actually went a little bit higher, right? So now, sorry about that. Yeah, so if this is indeed the top of the third wave, now we should see price reaction to the downside. And once again, ABC, this is the area where hot and mining should find support in a case this third wave is finished. In a case that this third wave was just an ABC and we're keeping grinding higher, then this is the count here. This is the oopsie. This is the area where the price could reach and find support, and this is based once again on this movement here with this ABC. You can see that it can go quite deep because it's a diagonal, allegedly possible diagonal. And so you can see that yeah, $72.05, $67.92, $64.04, those are the possible levels where we can find support. And yeah, at the same time, you can see that we don't have much difference. Also, if I go on the daily, let me remove that thing. If I go on the daily, you can see that we do have a bearish divergence, so it's another hint. So we have a lot of hint that, price top could be reached for hot and mining. And I just want to also to remind you that, today hot and mining is going still higher. Bitcoin is losing some ground. Actually, today is negative. So even though, yeah, hot and mining, it's a kind of crypto stock, for sure, he has other things, is diversify, is also in AI and stuff like that. But you can see that also it's not necessary that Bitcoin goes down and everybody's going to being dragged down, because everybody has his own cycle also to fulfill. I'm questioning now what's the destiny for short term for this hot and mining. Well, this year, the 0.618, 82.55 is going to become a strong support. If we break that, for me, it's a no-brainer. If we break that, we're going to go and find or attempt to find some support at 77, 77. If we fail that, then I do believe this is the beginning of the pullback. Also, I'm not sure I want to do that. I could draw a trend line here, but it would be, only 2 touching point, and honestly, I don't feel comfortable doing that for the moment. And by the way, trend line works until it doesn't. We have so many indications now that this stop could be near the end. And so once again, I'm going to take a little bit more profits, I believe. Still have time, 46 minutes to go, so I'm going to more likely take some profits now. And once again, this is not financial advice. All right, take some profits now, and then man, shoot, so many indication that price was high, and then I didn't do anything about it. Well, for sure we can go higher, but that's life, right? We don't know. We try to time the market, but no one has a magical ball, sphere, or something, what you want to call it. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share, pretty much on that. Yeah, let me go on the US chart. Here you can see I did the trend line. We have possibly now 3 touching points, but the narrative are the same. But I must say, here it's a little bit different, because on the US one, so we did reach the 1.38 fib extension. Once again, this is a big movement. Wave 1 in yellow, wave 2 in yellow, third wave. Can we go even higher? See here, it doesn't look like a diagonal anymore. So stocks are similar, but not 100% the same. You can see that ABC, we didn't go as deep, and now we're attempting to go higher. The problem is, once again, this movement, it's really... Let me do it here, honestly. Okay, so wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me go and check here how it... Because, Canadian and US, because of the currency exchange also, it's kind of messing up things. So we are still reaching the 1.618 fib extension. That's good. Oh man, this auto select. Let me remove the level that are not necessary. And then so once again, we could once again be ready for this fourth wave. Let me put it here now. We have the MA 55 also reaching. Let's go and check it out. For the wave 4 settings, I'm going to put it in orange. So this is the area where we could find support, and then once again, MA 55 is grinding higher. Wouldn't be surprised if by the time, if we ever start to do a pullback, that they can meet at around $50. That would be a nice level of reaccumulation. Once again, from the current price, this is about a potential 16-17% drop. And after that, we could attempt to go higher for that fifth leg. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys on hot and mining. I know today many people asked me to do an update, so there you are. Have a nice day. Bye.